levantar un poco la cabeza. Dejemos hacer las cosas bien, jugada a jugada. Y no nos martiricemos todos si hacemos una mala bajando la cabeza.
Not every time hand off advantage, every time pick and roll advantage. Okay, let's go. Change your faces.
Be proud. We are defending excellent. We make a mistake, 3 seconds and they score a 3. They score here, man. Let's go.
Todos hacemos errores, ¿eh? Todo el mundo hace errores. Vamos a dejar de perder el balón. Vamos a dejar de perder el balón. Por favor, stop turning over.
We stop playing and we run a pick and roll here in any way. No.
Llega aquí el balón a Dylan. ¿Qué hostias pintas aquí? Métete aquí abajo para tener este spacing. ¿Qué haces aquí?
These 5 players, you have 3 more minutes, 2 more minutes. To show me you are in the level and to play this game or no, doesn't matter. Don't go out.
Look at score. Win 8 points, win. Okay? We win 8 points. Okay, control. But, hey, no excuses in defense. Excuses, no. In the defense. It's our moment, guys. It's our moment. Let's ball the takes. Hey. On defense, guys, the key is rebound.
Box out, guys. Every time. There's an easy layup. Come on. More press the ball.
I don't want every time. Kick out. Hostia!
Gotta get in the paint.
Defense! Play more defense, everybody!